Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the RC Garage, and today I'm out here on this riverbed. As you can see, I'm out here actually with my TMAXX 3.3. I haven't ran the TMAXX in a little while, haven't put in a video in a little while, so I just want to come out here. It's a little bumpy, some loose dirt, should be lots of fun, but I'm just going to run it today. Don't really have a plan on what to do. I just wanted to get out, have some fun with RC, and bring you guys along for the ride. So yeah, let's get to finally running the TMAXX. Woo! Oh no! God damn it! God damn it! The TMAXX is alive. Oh! Ow! It's all good. Whew. Oh. Whew. Hopefully there's no snakes out here. I mean, there is. Hopefully I don't run into one. Ow. Oh God. I'm picking this up, oh God. Snakes! Oh! Guys, this thing is so fun. Sorry I haven't been talking, but it's just because, wow, I'm just, you know, letting you guys enjoy, oh, I lost it, the sights and sound of a nitro vehicle. If you guys don't have a nitro, I suggest you get one. Oh god. Can be a bit of a learning curve, but you know, listen to that thing. I mean, come on. How can you not get one? Oh god. These things are so much fun. I mean, I think TMAXX, great place to start. But I suggest maybe the 2.5 first. If you're looking to get a nitro and you want a monster truck, the classic, TMAXX Classic, I think is the way to go for your first nitro. My first RC car and first nitro ever was the TMAXX, but it had the .15 engine in it. The old TMAXX. Oh man, this thing's just in its element right here. Just gliding over these rocks. Oh! Broke a little too hard right there. Wow, look at that beautiful thing. Let's see what's over here. It's hot. It's hot out here. Whew. Oh, almost flipped. Oh gosh, into a ditch now. Give it back. That's only half throttle, I think. It's not that much at all. Whew. Not even close to full throttle. Still going, you know, 30. Oh. Ah, they're looking for me. Just kidding. As you can see, there used to be water in here with all the moss, but you know, Southern California. Oh look, there is some water over here. I don't know if I want to take the TMAXX. That looks pretty disgusting. Don't feel like cleaning it. Cleaning this shit up. This stuff. Oops, sorry. I did not cuss. Bleep that out. Oh God, I'm sinking. Like, yep, I don't want to drive. Maybe right here, but not in there. Should we rip it around in here? Let's see. If it doesn't run out of gas as I'm bringing it over here. God dang it. I need a new servo on this thing. This thing has a sucky turning radius. Oh God. Oh, I do not want it to go in there. Oh God. This stuff's just slime. Look at this is what we call a river here in California. This is it's the mighty river that I'm at. Oh God, look at my foot. Let's get out of here. Ah! And I'm out of gas. Alright guys, I'm gonna do this outro in my truck because it's too hot out there and I just couldn't stand being out there, and so I wanted to come back and get in the AC to do the outro. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to see more content with the TMAXX, just let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, hit that notification bell and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.